Don't understand. Is it not chipset? Chipset is Snapdragon. Where do I search with the Adreno stuff? What is it? Like a GPU?
Adreno 660 is a GPU. I don't know. You are the phone guy.
The GPU search option.
And GPU search option. You fucking lazy kid. You're not going to complex? You're not going to complex? You're not going to
I need to poo.
There's poo place there.
No.
You want no burger? You don't want no pasta? Burger?
I need to poo.
So home? We can get out if you go to home. With mother and everything. We can't get out no more. This is the only phone team we have. Oh shit holes. God damn off-roads and God, my bushings are dying. My bushings are fucking dying.
The reason when you're recording and like it shakes is because your hand is stabilizing, but the car is not, and it's going and you're holding it like
Oh shit, hand is a stabilization, so we don't need to buy gimbal. Hand is gimbal.
Yes.
Huh. I guess